What's up, everybody? StevoFS here. How are y'all doing today? I am doing fantastic. Thank you very much for asking. Alright. Well, today, guys, I quit my job because I am going to that was close. Little bit of a blinker, baby. Little bit of blinker. She about ran me off the fucking road. Oh, that was great. But as I was saying, I left my job at the auction. Nothing bad. It was all good. Let me wave at this guy. Nothing bad. It was all good. Nothing to do with them. It's just I got a better offer. You know, I hate to say it, but I couldn't turn the money down. I need the money. I can't turn it down, and I got people to take care of, so I got to do what's best for everybody. I hated to leave, but I did. They weren't happy, you know. Sorry, but that's life, I guess. So I'm going back to where I used to work before the farm, back to the weld shop. Thanks, buddy. Love you too. These people just want to kill me today. But like I was saying, I'm going back to where I was previous before the farm, at a weld shop building flame arresters and stuff. Some of y'all have been with me for a long time probably remember that job, but if not, it got paid good money, but I'm going to make a lot more now, and hopefully a little less responsibilities. Well, more responsibilities, but less work, more money kind of deal. So should be good. Hopefully it works out. When I left that job, it wasn't on really on good terms, but hey, that's life. So we're gonna give it a whirl. Hopefully it works out. If not, I don't know what I'll do after that, because I doubt I go back to the auction because they weren't too happy. So, but anyways, like I always say, I am a survivor and a fighter, and I will find a way. I always find a way. But on a good note, with this new job, less hours, more time to ride the old motorcycle, yes, good times, and more money to buy more stuff and equipment, and more time to make videos, because y'all have realized I haven't had time to do that much videos, but I want to get back to getting it where it was before, the videos. So, and I also want to thank everybody that's been hopping on the bandwagon for the channel. I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. I love each and every one of you guys, and I'm not forgetting about my old guys. I love you guys too. All my Moto Devo guys, yeah. Well, I'm gonna go home. Oh, I need gas, damn it. Well, I'm gonna go get gas, and then I'm gonna head home probably. Might stop off, take a few pictures, and then you gotta wash the bike, gotta clean the chain, it's filthy, making some racket, as always. Should be a nice day. Gonna get what I can done today, because tomorrow is supposed to storm. Ooh, come on, drink it up, baby, drink it up. Give me some 11 doll hairs worth of gas, please. Damn, that didn't give me nothing. I got half a tank. How much is this shit? $3.19. $3.19 a gallon. Well, that'll get me where I'm going. Let's go. We got some gas. Oh, and also I'll be reviewing a camera here soon. I just got it in, so it's a Chinese like knockoff type camera. It's cheap. It's like 50 bucks or something like that. So I'm gonna give it a whirl. I got to do that this weekend, do some testing on it and do a few things, and I'll let you guys know my thoughts and opinions on it here shortly, probably within a week or two. Let you know if it's worth getting, at least for MotoVlogs and stuff. I mean, so far, I mean, it looks pretty cool. It's real light. It's small and light. I don't know about I don't know how durable it is. It kind of feels a little cheap, but we'll see. How it comes with all kinds of mounts and stuff, so that's, I guess that's a plus. So maybe it'll be good. You guys like it and give it a try. So we'll see. And look at the river over there, boys and girls. It's pretty, ain't it? Look about how I'm driving. I'm gonna wreck. Did I ever tell you guys I love riding a motorcycle? God, it's about the only thing that makes you feel alive anymore. I always get a little smile on my face. I love it! I love it, I say! Let's go this way. See what kind of roads I can play on for a minute before I gotta go home. Let's go back. I like to ride on that little spot right there. I'm sure the people who live there probably hate me. I don't do it often. It's maybe once a week, but still I like going on it. There's not many little squirrely roads around here. I mean, it's not the best. It's short. It's like what, 3 or 4 turns, but still I get a little kick out of it, but it's fun. Let's go. Well, I'm home, almost home, so we'll be in this little fun little ride. I got a little boat, guys. It cost me $200. Maybe one day I'll get to take it out. Oh, I got a lot of work to do down here, guys, so please forgive the mess. There is a mess everywhere. I'll get to it eventually. Yeah. Okay, I'm sorry. Wake the neighbors up! What neighbors? I don't have neighbors around here. Well, I do, but they're far. But alright, guys. Thanks for joining me on this ride, and thanks to all the new people joining the bandwagon. Thanks, guys. And if you like this video, hit that like button. And if you didn't, I'm sorry, hit it anyways, because I know deep down you do. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little bell so you guys will be notified when all my fantastic videos are up. They're fantastic, goddamn. Ask Muffin Man. He'll tell you. He never lies. Ask Repo. Sometimes he does lie, but he loves me. Alright, guys. And everybody that's been here forever, I appreciate it. I love each and every one of you guys. You guys are awesome. And as always, guys, peace, love, and unicorns. Stevo out. Peace. Bye.